Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO A52 and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So all you have to do is simply to open your browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and as you can see, if you want to clear browsing data, simply click on this three dots icon, and here let's go to the history. Now, from this level, you can either clear all browsing data or simply delete only one website. So let me do this. For example, I want to clear it. So simply click on the X icon, and as you can see, now it's deleted. If you want to clear all browsing data, then simply click here on Clear Browsing Data. And here, as you can see, you can choose from basic and advanced mode. You can clear browsing data, cookies and site data, and cached emails and files. And let's go to the advanced. As you can see here, you can delete also cookies, cached images, saved passwords, autofill for data or site settings. So let me pick clear data. And as you can see, there's nothing in the history. You've just deleted the browsing data in your OPPO A52. And if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.